So the device in my hand is Redmi phone running on Miui 12, and in this video we are showing how to turn on Quickball in this phone. For doing this, you must first go to the settings of the phone, and in the settings you can choose from here additional settings. So this is the additional settings. You can click out the additional settings, and in this additional settings, below daytime language input region full screen display, here you can see button shortcuts, and below that it written Quickball. So you must simply click this Quickball from here and select the Quickball, and now here it is written turn on Quickball. So if you simply toggle this button, if you simply turn on, then the Quickball is enabled in our device. That is, if you want to press the back button and all, you need to press the here. I'll show you. This is the Quickball enable here. So you can simply click here, and if you want to lock the screen, you can press the lock from here. Similarly, if you want to take the screenshot, you can click this one, and the screenshot is captured. So this is the method of using a Quickball. So this is the back button. If you press this, it will go to the back, and once again in this Quickball, you can see that if you want to see the closed windows and all, you can click this one to go to the home screen, or you can check out the closed windows by pressing these three keys, these three lines. Suppose if you want to turn off this Quickball option from here, you can change the position of Quickball from this side to this side by using the slim gaze. You can simply drag the position wherever you want in the screen to whichever the corner you need. You can adjust the place or the position of this Quickball. So if this back button is complete, no need to worry, you can use from by pressing this back button after enabling the Quickball. Okay, for disabling the feature, we must simply go to the settings, and from the settings we must go to the additional settings, and from the additional settings you can choose Quickball, and here you must simply turn off this. Of this video. See for more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.